Changing your password on Deezer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can enjoy your music with your new password.